Hello everyone, this is Chris again, your LMT at Lona's Masahe. Tonight I will be showing you a stretch and how can we stretch our pec. Okay? This muscles here. How can we do that? These muscles get so tight, and when they're tight, they keep pulling. What's happening here? When this tight, this muscle's tight, you know this muscles that's your pec minor, it's like this. Click here and this right here. Looks like 3 fingers. It's like, what's up? Okay, they're like that. And then the job on that one is like pulling the shoulder. See, that's what's doing. And then what's my shoulders doing? It's doing this. Now what happened? Where am I gonna feel the pain? I'm gonna feel the pain here and between my shoulder blade. Sweet spot. That is most of the time they say, oh my gosh, it hurts so much. Between my shoulder blades. Yes. Why? What is responsible in that one? These muscles. You keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. What's the cause of that one? Cell phone. And if you work out a lot, people that do this, people that do this. We rarely work out like this. How many people work out like this? Always like this, right? When you go to the gym, people always do this. Do this. All the time. Get this bicep big, okay? Keep doing this. Alright? How many people do this? Not very many. We're always focused here. We don't really work very much there. We need to start doing it. That's the reason we feel all that tension. And also our job. Okay, computer. All day. 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. All day. Long day. Muscles congested. So we need to, our job is to train our muscles to go back. Okay? Go back. Posture. This has to be here, level to be here. When you start doing this and this one start doing this, where are you going to feel the pain? You're going to feel it right here. Okay? Why? Because this muscle's right here stabilizing your head so your head don't fall off, right? Yeah. So we're gonna feel that here. So what's responsible in that one? What muscle's responsible in this? Why is feeling here? You see these muscles? Right here? Your ECM? Yeah, it's doing this. And you see these muscles underneath? Right here, okay, this is your levator, this is your scalene, your ACM. And right here, that's your scalene. That is flexing your neck, okay, your head right there. And then keep flexing it. And then you do like this, and before you do it all day. And then you're gonna feel all that pain here, getting so tight. And then this one is like, enough. I have enough. Okay, stop. And then it's gonna scream for pain because can't do it anymore, right? It's telling you to stop. That's what happens. What we're gonna do, we're gonna stretch this. We're gonna stretch this. All right. And then make sure, be mindful of the posture. Instead of this every day, you're gonna go. All right. what we're gonna do. Alright, now we're gonna start our stretches. Alright, hold here, okay, hold here, and then just, it's like you're going to drop, but you're gonna make sure you hold, okay, so you don't smash yourself there on the floor, okay, so you just like, okay, just relax, okay, feet, relax, okay, relax, and then you can go back, and then go to that, and then relax, just hang yourself there, right, and you can even look at the ceiling, and look at the floor. Right now, we can stretch our traps here, okay? Your upper back muscles. And you can go, look at the ceiling. Now we're stretching. We're stretching our shoulder, our pecs, our neck, and our neck extensors. We're stretching it when we're looking down. And now we're stretching our neck flexors. Our neck flexors are scalene and our ACM, okay? And we are stretching these muscles here. Your bicep, your pectoralis, your anterior deltoids, all right? So that's it. And if you want to do some more, hold this bar. You know, if you don't have this workout machine at home, just find something, a door, okay? And you can do like this, and you're trying to like walk away. You're gonna go walk away. You're gonna hold this or the door, you know, by the door. You're gonna grab it, and then you just kind of like walk away. You know, you're like, that stretch is really good, okay? So first you face that way, and then you just kind of like face that way. So face that way, and you kind of like face that way, okay? And then that's a good stretch here. That's a good stretch here all the way. And if you look at the corner there, you'll stretch your scalene, okay? You go like that, and you stretch the scalene, okay? There you go. So what are the stretches that I'm showing you? Okay, go grab this one, and you just hang. Okay, hang there. You're there, and so you're gonna have to like put your foot, like, you know, against the wall. Okay, your heel against the wall, like that, and then grab the shelves or the bench or something that you can grab on. Okay, that's stable enough that you don't fall. Okay. So you do like this and you just hang, okay? So you kind of like want to drop but don't want to, okay? Because you're holding and you don't want that because you don't want to hurt yourself, okay? You don't want to smack that beautiful face of yours on the floor, right? So you go like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to stretch this neck extensors. I'm talking about the back of your neck, okay? Your neck extensors, okay? And your traps. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna look down. Look down. Try to touch your chin to your chest. Okay? That's what I'm trying to do. That's how we're going to stretch here our upper traps. Okay? And your spinalis muscles there. Okay, so we're gonna go this. Tuck your chin. Or touch it. Try to touch it to your chest. You can really feel the stretch. And then now we're going to stretch our ACM and our scalene, which is our neck, anterior neck, and what is this? Neck flexors, okay? Go this up, stretch it, At the same time, we're stretching our neck. At the same time, we are stretching our bicep, our shoulder. Okay? Now, after that, you can sink in. You can stretch more your shoulder this way. Okay? Sink in. There you go. Bicep. Alright? Bicep and pecs. Alright. You can stay there 30 seconds or 1 minute, as long as you want. Alright? And that was the stretch. The neck flexors, the neck extensors, the pectoralis, the bicep. That's what you can do. And then also grab something that you can grab on. We're going to stretch more this area. We're going to go from there. We're going to go look away. Okay? We're going to go look away. That's a good stretch from here. Right? Now we're going to go more. And then we're going to go look. We're going to rotate this neck. We're going to go this. And we can stretch this area. And you can also do it other side. Okay? So I will be looking that way. Grab the other one. Be looking that way. And I'm going to go that way. Because I'm going to stretch this other side. Okay? So I'm going. Then I'm going to go look away. Right? I'm going to look away. So you can feel that stretch there. Okay, and then I'm going to stretch this and I'm going to go look at the corner there. There you go, guys. That's how you stretch your muscles, your pectoralis, your bicep, your scalene. Those are just those stretches that you can do. Alright, this is Chris again from Luna's Masahe. Have a good one, everyone.